Greetings. I'm Ted, your host, and welcome to Night Owl Bodycams. Today, we're dealing with a couple that apparently doesn't have a brain cell between the two of them. They decide they're going to commit a crime and then get in a high-speed chase with the cops. And doing all of this with a 2-month-old in the back seat. Let's get into this, shall we?
Escambia County deputies in Florida were handling a routine traffic stop when a shots fired call suddenly came over the radio.
Escambia units, possible shots fired north Sam and Lloyd Street, all responding 1-3.
Oh, puppy.
I'll be 1018.
8126. 10-4, it's going to be a woman wearing a pink shirt driving a black SUV.
8-1, I believe I'm going to be behind that black SUV. Got it coming off Brainerd.
Channel 1033.
As deputies raced toward the shots fired vehicle, they had no way of knowing a 2-month-old baby was inside.
Are you kidding me? What could possibly possess someone to wake up in the morning and decide, gee, I think I'll commit some crimes, get into a police chase, which of course is going to happen, but I think I'll take my 2-month-old with me because my baby needs some ale. I mean, you can't even teach this level of stupidity.
Doing westbound, he's going to be headed out on a move.
There she goes.
335, I'm going to take up the pursuit from here. We're going southbound on Grandview.
Southbound Mobile.
No, southbound on Grandview at Gadsden. No.
Going eastbound, correction, westbound Jackson, westbound Jackson. Westbound Jackson. Hit the tag, I couldn't get it.
Unknown state, Henry Frank Mary 071. It's Alabama. Can I hit it?
10-4, shots fired, people.
Hit successful, hit successful. We got a full rollover.
Now, we all know that the cop wanted to immobilize the vehicle. Well, I got to tell you, that is like the maximum level of immobilization right now.
Driver! Driver, put your hands up!
Jeez, lady.
Driver, put your hands up! Go ahead and roll fire. We probably got vehicle entrapment. Full rollover.
Golly, Casey.
Yeah, come on, Casey.
Entrapment in the vehicle, go ahead, fire out.
10-4.
You're good, you're good. I got you, sir.
32, I still need units to head to the scene to see if we have something over there.
259 is going to be 51. No movement?
No vision.
Hold up, Sarge. I'm going to come to you.
I'm out with 335. I can see a hand.
Keep your hands up! Distance dark. I don't want to create a crossfire here.
Hey, windows are tinted.
Okay.
8-1, I need someone on scene at the original location.
Sarge, can I bust that back window?
I've got glass breakers if you don't want to.
Break it right here.
Okay, hold on.
Hey, we're going to break the window. Y'all, watch out.
All right, well.
Why would you run with a baby?
Keep your hands where we can see them.
Why would you do that with a baby in the car run from us?
259. I know we already said rolling a mess.
You got him? There's an incident in the car. You got it?
Ma'am,
Keep your
step
hands
out.
where we can see them. Is there any other children?
No.
Are you the only occupant?
No.
Who else is inside?
hold on.
Who else is inside?
I'm coming
Can you
out.
grab a hold of her?
Yep.
I've got lethal.
They big gonna cut me, bro.
Come on.
Who else is inside?
I'm right here.
Are you conscious? Can you hear me? Okay.
Oh yeah, for God's sakes, let's not forget about her slippers.
Ah,
Right, step up.
Just give him your hands. Don't stop. Hey. Hey, stop.
I ain't doing that. Now I'm putting my hand behind
Hold on. Stay on.
So there was actually two of them in the car, and neither one of them could have possibly made better decisions than what they did. Wow.
Your knees. Stay on your knees. Someone take him.
He's got him.
Other passengers, step out.
Ain't nobody else in here. Hold on, I can keep my phone. I chill out.
Give me your phone.
So what? She's more concerned about her phone than she is about her kid? Wow.
Give him your phone.
No.
You're losing.
Hey, chill out, bro.
You don't need that phone.
Grab me again, bro.
Just chill, babe. Chill out.
Ain't no chill out, bro.
Don't do anything stupid. Come on.
Okay. With a baby? Dude.
Help him. Got it.
Look, my shoulder already out of place. Ease up, for real. I ain't got nothing on me. You ain't even supposed to search me.
My policy, we can.
When that
There's two
policy
deputies.
passed.
Pretty much since law enforcement first became a thing. I mean, if they're arresting you, which they are, they have the legal right to search you. And they do not need a warrant to do it.
And the camera, and it's not illegal.
Can I call my baby daddy to come get my baby?
We'll get that worked out.
All right. Can you move your arm?
Now, you're concerned about your child? Where was this concern when you woke up this morning?
You gotta step in.
There you go.
Any injuries?
The baby seems fine, but we're going to get checked out.
Thank God.
Good.
In the car, thank God. Why would she run with
Okay. Well, we missed the power pole. That's...
Is that your baby?
Want me to take the kid?
335. You can just update fire. There is no more entrapment.
he in the seat? He was in the car seat. I'm holding this way, supporting him, so I'm not moving his head.
Oh, that is a big spider. Get back out of that mess. Ooh. Ah,
There is some sort of rival. Looks like a BB gun or something.
BB gun? Along
It's got
that.
a magazine in it, so it's like, no, it's probably a BB gun. It's got a magazine.
Oh, I see what you're looking at.
Yep. It's got. That's a real gun.
Oh, that's a real gun,
That's gotta be a real gun. Yep.
What's your name? Hey, look at me. What's your name?
Alexia
Alexia what?
Goble.
Okay.
My brother pulling up to get.
Well, we'll figure that out here in a second.
Get him out of here! Get out of here!
Go back. Alright, look, then why don't you park on the side? Ma'am, park. We have the baby. Park on the side.
Yeah, park on the side.
Where? I can't.
Over here on the sidewalk.
Do you want me to do anything? There is a firearm in there.
Oh, good.
It's a rifle.
Leave it.
It's a
Get
rifle.
crime scene. Get crime
Okay.
scene.
I've already got him coming. Man, where'd that sack tool go? Them things are expensive. Whatever.
Well, that's kind of handy.
Gives me an excuse to spend more money. I don't know what the hell I did with it. Well, I found it. Woo!
Congratulations.
We have a scene because we have recovered a firearm over here. Looks like it's going to be a pistol caliber. Straight through, you can see it with the mag in it. It's got a red dot on it.
Good job, man.
81, dude. 81 is always just bebopping around somewhere and find stuff.
What's up, man? All right, just stay in the car for me. Just stay. We got it. Just stay in the car.
I ain't got to stay in the car.
That's my son.
Dude, right now would not be a good time to be giving the cops any kind of grief.
Okay, we'll just then stay right over here.
We just got this phone.
I ain't got no weapons. I ain't got nothing.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, call me back, babe.
No weapons. See? You're good. Don't worry about it. You're not wrong. It's all good, okay? Good bit. She overcorrected. We're going to charge her. We're going to charge her.
Well, child endangerment.
You damn straight we are.
Absolutely.
Make sure you don't lose that.
It will be. Oh my God, there was a fucking baby in the car. Jesus.
Dude, I heard west on Jackson, and I was coming from Jackson. I was like, heck yeah.
I saw her fly across and jump.
But the problem is someone
So who she thinks she was? The Duke boys driving in the old General Lee?
called around S and Lloyd, so the people getting shot at didn't call, so it could be anywhere in a couple of block radius. But dispatch heard the shooting. So, we got the rifle, and it's a car leaving that area, going westbound, where I saw it coming westbound. It fled from us, so I'm all good with this all day long. EMS right here, I'll get.
How you doing? I like the stash.
Me and him are going to go talk to them. Hey, the baby's being checked. It's probably going to be taken to the hospital cautionary. I pulled the baby out. The baby's in the car seat.
Okay.
He's crying. He's nothing obvious. All right, is that your daughter? Okay.
In the car with you? Yeah.
You look at the look on this woman's face. That may be her daughter, but it doesn't look like she's none too proud of it being her daughter. I take it this is not the first issue they've had.
You know what's going on?
Yeah, well, all I know is she ran from y'all.
So we got a call while someone's on the call. The dispatch could hear shots being fired. Yes, they gave a description of that vehicle there. I got behind the vehicle. It ran from me due to the nature of the call, because it was the dispatch could hear it. We pitted the vehicle, and when we found out it was a baby, the first thing I said, "Why would you run from that car?" There is a rifle in that car.
Yeah, we know. That's what we just told.
As soon as they tell me where they're going, I'll let you know so you can go. Okay,
so much.
not a
I
problem.
appreciate
Yeah.
I get nervous anytime we have to do something like this.
No, we're justified.
And then when I
doing it.
heard there was a baby in there, I was like, oh my God, I'm so glad. That
What kind of gun is it? A rifle?
It's a pistol carbine, so it's a rifle, but it shoots pistol rounds.
Trying to run me over?
The kids in the car. Yeah, it was in there. We had to pull out the back. It seemed to be in a car seat. There was nothing obvious when I pulled them out.
All right. Do you want us to also assess the...
They're hurting me. We'll take them. We're not... The female's fine.
Let's go look at them.
You can look at them. She's going to be yelling.
Dude, oh my God, Casey. I am so glad that baby's okay. I hate that, dude. I hate that we're in that position, though. I just flipped a car with a baby in it.
Did it?
Well, I know. But like, damn.
Doing like that with a baby in the car?
They're putting us in that position.
Well, first of all, over there trying to do gang.
Yeah.
Damn baby in the
They've
car.
got shots fired with a baby.
But what if the people shot back at them?
Hey, they're going to go to Sacred Heart in just a minute. That's
Okay.
where you need to go to the kids' ER.
Heart,
They're just going to
okay.
do it as precautionary to make sure.
Thank you so much.
Not a problem. Let's interview her, Rita Miranda. Let's do him first, the guy first, because he was calmer than she was.
Hey, sir, you doing okay? You got the AC in here? Can you feel the AC? Okay, you're okay. I'm just making sure you're all right, okay?
Hey, where my mom at?
Your mama ain't gonna help.
22.
Once we're done, we'll walk her. I'll ask her. She's on the other side.
I ain't got nothing to say about that.
Okay, you got nothing to say? That's fine. You're going to be charged with all of it, and you're not talking to your mama.
Okay.
Little turd. Not that you care because you ran from us. You're being charged with a multitude of firearms. You're going to lose. That's my mission.
Being charged with what?
You're being charged with a multitude of felonies. Hey, are they in the back? Hey, I just needed the baby's name real quick.
Yeah, I got it.
I got the baby's name.
Age, date of birth,
You want to know the age?
what, 0? Found 1 round.
Dispatch said they heard 1 round over the phone.
He found 1, so that's good.
Oh, what else we got here? Oh, powder, meth.
As an absolute surprise to nobody.
That's going to be baggies and a scale for
Awesome.
distribution.
So, this is a bag of marijuana, all rolled up, ready to go.
You can record from right there. You're fine. Go ahead. I'm not moving my car though. Yeah, you can stand over there and do it. They allow you. Hey, dude, come on. I'm sorry to hear that, but I can't help you with this son right now.
That's her son, right?
I understand. It doesn't matter if it's her son. He's an adult.
Wait, I know it's my son.
I understand. He's an adult.
Ain't that happened? Y'all flipped that car over.
Yeah.
I got witness. They record y'all.
Hey, guess what? We did. We pitted the car. That's no.
Wow, this woman looks like she's in complete denial. She probably thinks her son is a perfect angel.
Man over the car. Yeah, no, they did. What was the reason?
Doesn't matter. Listen, you can get the arrest report. They were shooting at someone. They ran. There's a ton of drugs. Maybe if they cared more about that little baby in there,
Okay.
that pisses me off.
Okay.
That baby. I didn't say they shoot someone. I said they shot at someone, and we do have a witness.
I was on the phone
Not-
with them.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
They were at the grave site.
I'll talk to you since you're calm. Because I'm getting irritated. I understand it's your son, and I'm sorry about your other son.
Yeah.
But you're yelling and accusing
I'm
us.
not yelling.
Your high-pitched voice
That's
comes
just
off as
me.
yelling.
I'm like, that's how I
What's
talk.
up? What's up?
I'm just listening.
Oh, you're listening? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you explain
So,
to us that.
so we're going to take him to get checked out.
Yes, sir.
They're
Oh,
fine. He
yes,
just
sir.
said he's got a sore shoulder. That's all
Yes,
he's
sir.
complaining about. He's going to
Yes,
be
sir.
checked out. He's going to be charged with fleeing and eluding,
Yes, sir.
possession of a firearm during commission of a felony.
Yes, sir.
He's in the vehicle the whole time. How do you know he wasn't driving?
Because I was with them. Hold on,
You were with him in that car? No, you
I
didn't.
was on the phone with them.
That's kind of a big
So
difference.
did they tell you they were running from us?
Calm down, Fat. Calm down.
So a multitude
Yes, sir.
of felonies. So
Yes, sir.
and depending on his record, it could be anywhere from 10,000 to no bond
Yes,
to get
sir.
out.
So they got a witness. He said it was a shootout. It was a shootout.
I didn't say it was a shootout. I said they shot at someone.
Shot at someone. They ain't shot no one. And
Yeah,
that's what
illegal.
made them get behind the car.
No, then I tried to stop the car and make sure it wasn't it. They took off and then they started driving like a maniac all through
Yes, sir.
here. So we pitted the vehicle, not knowing there, which
Yes,
is
sir.
she's being charged and she's going to lose. It's the last thing I do because she has no.
sir.
That's the only reason that baby's alive because it was in a car seat. Thank God.
Yes, sir.
There's a ton of dope in there, meth, marijuana, a rifle. I would worry more about him being around that than us doing that. The baby's okay. It's being checked out. Thank you. Do what?
Is you a sergeant?
Yes, ma'am. Sergeant Taylor.
Isn't it? It's a law that like y'all not supposed to chase the cars.
Nope. There's no law like that, sir. No, it is not the law. I tell you, which one of y'all went to law school and which one didn't?
I'll go on record to say that I don't think any of them went to law school. There's no place where there's an actual ban on hot pursuits. It's regulated in some places, regulated more toughly than it is in other places. But no, because if you run from the cops, there's got to be some way for them to catch you. And sometimes the only way to do it is to get involved in a hot pursuit.
You can, if you want to file a complaint, you're more than welcome, but with real and policy, no, I'm explaining it.
Okay, so you saying the neighborhood?
There is no law that we can't chase, buddy.
The neighborhood they was in, supposed to be, and there was a suspect, that was the call.
Yep, yes ma'am. Jesus Christ, I'm that mother. At least that lady was not, I could talk to her.
The suspects, 26-year-old Alexia Goebel and 22-year-old Mel Trez Coley, were both taken into custody.
Well, there you have it. It was a real case of Dumb and Dumber now, wasn't it? But the important takeaway of this body cam was that the child was fine. No injuries at all. In fact, neither Alexia or Meltrez had any real injuries neither. But they were both taken into custody and charged with a multiple of weapons offenses as well as crimes connected to illegal substances and, surprise, surprise, endangering the child. Their court case is still going through the courts as we speak. But I would like to thank Midwest for the use of the video. I've actually left a link to the original video down below in my description. But if you like this video, if you could hit like and subscribe and to share this video, it'll really help my channel out. I should point out this is actually my second channel. Another one I got that's just called Night Owl. It's a true crime. I've also left a link to it down below. You should go check it out and hit like and subscribe on that one as well. Anyway, thanks for coming by. I hope to see you again real soon.